Hey guys, this is RB the Garden Nanny in the garden, putting in some new plants. As you can tell from the title, this is a phlox. These are phlox. And I was at a farmer's market at the end of the summer and I saw phlox, woodland phlox, that I absolutely love. They come out in the spring. This one is a white one that I do not have. And so I am very excited to be putting these in and looking forward to seeing them in the spring. I'm going to also put in some tulips around this area so that, you know, this stuff that you see, the greenery in the back, you won't see that in the spring. So it's always nice to see some color in the spring. So I am looking forward to that. I am working now to get that to happen when the spring comes. So I am digging my hole. I usually use my auger for this, but it was not in sight right now, and I just saw my shovel, so have shovel will use. And I'm almost out of this biotone. I really like to use it when I'm putting in new plants. It really helps with the root growth. And yeah, so I have about 7 of these. I'm spacing them out 3 feet apart from each other. But yeah, that is what I'm doing at this point. And I will show you towards the end how it looks and what this woodland phlox called May Breeze looks like.